Welcome to Sebby's Trains.
Today we're going to be reviewing the Noch. You alright there? That is the Noch road construction accessory kit. Let's take a look what's included in this accessory kit.
4 signs, but 1 went missing. A bucket. A pile of sand with a shovel in it, or a spade, whichever one you prefer. A wheelbarrow.
Couple planks here.
Yep. Some construction cones. A jackhammer. A pickaxe. Some shovels or spade. Some brooms. A compactor.
That's a neat one.
Yep.
This is a great little accessory kit.
Yep.
For if you're including a road construction on your layout.
Yep.
This is the perfect little kit.
Yeah, we just picked this up at our local model railroad store.
Yeah. It's made by Noch. It's a German company.
Yep. We thought it was Notch at first.
That's right. Yeah, we're quite happy with this little bundle here.
Yeah.
All right, let's get back to our
Layout.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at my temporary layout. So we have the construction site here.
A newly built road.
Yep.
Still under construction here.
Yep. We have over there from the Take and Play Thomas and Friends pack. Don't know which one. Not Take and Play. It was Adventures, the new version.
Oh, and what do we have over here? Down the track.
These came from a little knockoff Take and Play Adventures set. I got 2 of them so I could have more of the new style track.
Yeah. This is Knapford Station.
Yep.
It looks pretty neat. And we've got street lights on the other side there.
Yep. We're gonna add one more thing to this layout in 1 sec, and we'll show you that.
All right. We forgot something in our last scene, right? What was it?
Jack.
Jack? Who's Jack? Oh, there we go.
Part of the Take and Play Adventures set that Oliver came in.
Fits right in. And that's our current layout, right?
All right.
Having a little fun with road construction.
Yep, now let's get this train running.
Okay. Next stop, Knapford Station. Whoa. Easy little buggy, huh? All right. See you guys next time.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like.